All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 11 a.m. Velocity Bank Network training and update call. So, I'm going to do first is I want to walk everybody through how the Velocity Network, Velocity Bank dot network site works for people that are part of the priority program still. I'm going to walk you through exactly uh, how you check. You no longer need to go to the portal. You no longer need to do anything other than come here whenever you want to check on or add additional priority spots. So when you go to the site velocitybank.network, you will see our forward facing website. Very simple, very straightforward. I think the important part here is the entry options. So, priority is the feeder pathway that helps members turn $60 in USDT deposits into a $1,000 reward event, usable to spend or to multiply and leverage other crypto assets with an automatic $60 re entry to repeat the cycles. So, as you can see, when that $60 hits velocity, it will pay a $1,000 reward, which the user has their options on what they want to do with it. If they want to put it into other crypto opportunities, they want to put it on their Bankus card, whatever they want to do with it, they can now do with it within the priority structure. Uh, Obviously, we've got the off-ramp information here. Very simple for someone to get started. They would just click here, hit get started. Once they get hit started, they want to create a slot. They hit create a slot, and then they got two choices: create now for immediate slot creation, or you can join the wait list. Either way, you put in a username and an email address. Whatever username you want to put in, you don't have to put your Bankus, whatever you want to do. At the end of the day, in the background, this site has always been working in the background all along. All it's doing is it's saying, hey, what do we want public out there? Again, decentralized. So if you don't have a username or you're someone that's already been in, you're basically it shortens your email to create whatever the username is. So you can put whatever you want there. Hit I confirm, I acknowledge, hit create a slot. It will then take you here. We'll do a quick example. So we go, we'll do this plus 101 at gmail.com. Oops, wrong place. Let me switch that over here. Cut, paste. And in here, we'll just put TREC wins 101. Oops, it didn't let me do that. So let's go Trek plus 10 at gmail.com. Trek wins 10. That'll be my username. Oops. 10. At Gmail, I hit this, I hit this, and it will take me to make a $60 USDT payment. You come here, pop however you have your USDT, and you make it here. If you do not have the USDT, again, you can always go back to the form, fill out the form, and the form will then get you the $60 that you need through the peer-to-peer and allow you to get started that way as well. It just takes a couple extra minutes when we do it that way. But we tried to automate it 100%, make it real simple. $60 typically is easy for someone to bring someone in and send them $60 in USDT so that they can get started right away. But again, the form is there for people to be able to do it that way as well. So now, once you are signed up and in place, what you'll be able to do so whenever you go to the site and you want to double check where you're at. um oh shoot, never let anybody in. Oops.